Ever wondered how to make your emails look more professional and instantly recognizable? Today, I'm going to show you how to add a logo to your Gmail signature so every email you send stands out. First, open Gmail on your computer and click the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This takes you to a page full of customization options, but the one we want is Signature. Scroll down until you find it. Click Create New and give your signature a name that's easy to remember. Then, in the editor that appears, type in your name, job title, contact info, or any other details you want to include. This is the part where you make your emails informative and professional. Now for the fun part, adding your logo. Click the image icon in the editor toolbar, then select Google Drive. Upload your logo if it's not already saved, or choose an existing one. Once it's added, make sure it fits neatly alongside your text. Resize it if needed so your signature looks clean and balanced. When you're happy with how everything looks, scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. From now on, every email you send will automatically include your new signature with your logo, giving every message a polished, professional touch. Adding a logo to your Gmail signature is simple, but it makes a huge difference in presenting yourself professionally. Try it today and see how much more professional your emails look.